we'll go to next example. For exercise 7.1 only. Here, if a point Q, okay, here they are given a point Q. This is point Q, 0, 1. If a point Q is equidistant from P of 5, minus 3 and R of x, 6. This point is equidistant from 2 points. Here is a P of 5, minus 3 and this is R of x, 6. This point Q is having equal distance from P, from here to here is, for example, here to here is a 10 meter, from here to here is also 10 meter, means equidistant from P of and R of. Okay, then what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of this value of x. Okay, this point is equidistant means here to here and here to here is length is equal. Then with the help of distance formula, which formula? Distance formula, we'll find out the value of x. PQ equals to and QR. Or okay, we'll apply the distance formula. First, I'll consider this as x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. We are finding the value of x only by applying distance formula. Why we are equating 0 here? From here to here is equals to here to here. That's why we are equating equal sign in between. Okay, I apply distance formula for PQ first. This is x2 minus x1, 0 minus 5, 0 minus 5 whole square plus 1 minus of minus plus 3, 1 minus of minus, y2 minus y1, that is plus 3 whole square equals to, this is PQ. Okay, and this is equals to QR. Again, this is x1 y1, x2 minus x1 under the square root of 0 minus x whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square, y2 minus y1. Then here square root is there both the side. We have to remove the square root only. Okay, by applying squaring on both, what you will get? If this is 0 minus 5 whole square is minus 5 whole square. Minus 5 whole square is how much again? 25 plus this is 4 whole square. 4 whole square is nothing but 16. And squaring on both sides means here square equals to 0 minus x square, okay, plus this is 1 minus 6 minus 5 whole square. Here minus 5 remains, minus 5 whole square is 25. Again square. This side also we have to square. Squaring on both. Then this square and square root cancels. And this side and this square root, square and square root cancels. What remains? Here 25 plus 16. How much? 41 equals to, here x square plus 25. You take numerical one side. X square plus 25 minus 41. This plus becomes minus 41 equals to 0. Next, this, how much remains here? X square plus 25 minus 41 minus 16 remains equals to 0. Then x square equals to, you take minus 16 to the other side, this becomes plus 16. Then x square equals to, here we got x square minus 16 equals to 0, x square equals to plus 16. Then x, we have to find out, I don't want the value of x square, I want the value of x. Okay, when this square goes to other side, this becomes square root of 16. Then square root of 16 is plus or minus square root of 16. Then square root of 16 is 4. Then x values are plus 4, minus 4, or the values of x. Here is very simple. They are given one point. This point is equidistant from both P and R. Here this x value is not there. Okay, we are applied distance formula. Why? y equal, this point is equidistant. Okay, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ equal ಇದೆ. Then we applied distance formula for PQ and QR. Just solving. Okay, calculation is there. After applying distance formula, squaring on both, why we have to square both the side? We have to remove the square root. Okay, just inside simplification here also, and here 41 remains, and here x square plus 25. How we got the 25 here? 1 minus x is minus 5. Minus 5 whole square is 25. Here 0 minus x square is minus x square. Minus x square is nothing but x square. Okay, after squaring, the square root cancels. Then here minus 5 whole square is 25. 4 whole square is 16. 16 plus 25 is 41. 41 goes to other side. This becomes minus 41. And plus 25 minus 41 is minus 16. X square minus 16 we got equals to 0. And x square equals to 16. We have to find out the value of x. Then square becomes square root. Other, when it goes to other side, then the value of x are minus 4 and plus 4. Okay, fine. In the previous problem we just got x value as a plus 4 and minus 4, right? Here is a p point for 5 and minus 3. Here we got x value as plus 4 and minus 4, right? You take only plus 4. Don't worry about this point p, right? Now you find out the distance between q and r. Find the distance between q and r. Okay, you apply distance formula for these 2 points and find out the distance between q and r when x equals to 4. And after finding the distance of qr when x equals to 4, again you find the distance between q and r when x equals to minus 4. This is x equals to 4. You have to find out two conditions here. Minus 4 comma 6. One time 4 comma 6. One more time minus 4 comma 6. Check how much you will get the answer when x equals to 4, when x equals to minus 4. Okay.
Okay, my dear children, sorry, diamonds. Here is a problem. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D as shown in the figure. Here 4 friends are there seated at A, B, C and D. Okay, what is the question? Champa asked Chameli. Champa is asking Chameli. Okay, what this one is asking this one to this? They walk into the class. Enter into the class. After observing for a few minutes, Champa asked Chameli. Okay, Champa asking Chameli, don't you think ABCD is a square? Okay, Chameli disagrees. Champa felt like they are seated at in a square shape, but this Chameli disagrees the Champas. Okay, using distance formula, you people, using distance formula, which of them is correct? Champa is correct or Chameli disagrees means is not a square. Okay, you have to find out is a square or other. Here is a A and B and C is a D. Is a Cartesian system. This is origin. This point is origin 0, 0 and this is x-axis and this is y-axis. And here you have to find out, they are not given the points of A, B and C. Okay, they are not given the values of A, B and C, D. First we have to find out the value of A. Okay, this is A. Values of A are 3, 4. Okay, you have to find out the coordinates of A. Okay, see here, x is 3, y is 4. The values of A are 3, 4 and values of B are, see here, x-axis 6 and y-axis 7. The values of B are 6, 7 and values of C. Values of C are, this is 9, x value is 9 and y value is 4. 9 comma 4. Okay, and D values, this is 6 and 1. You know how to find out the coordinates of a point in a Cartesian system. Okay, see here, they are given the points of 3, A, B, C, D. Okay, it's a Cartesian system. It's very simple. Now what you people will do, you find out the distance between AB and apply distance formula for AB, and apply distance formula for BC, apply distance formulas for CD, and apply distance formula for DA. You check whether you will get the same answer for all the 4 sides or not. If you got the same answer, then they are seated at like in a square shape. Okay, if you people are not getting the same answer, is not a square. And one more, in a square you have to remember the properties of a square. In a square all the sides are equal and diagonals also equal. You have to check for diagonals also. AC and BD, you have to apply for AC and you will get some answer. Apply for BD, you check whether AC is equals to BD or not, then only it is a square, otherwise it is not a square. Please try this one. Just apply distance formula for AB and check BC, check CD and DA. Okay, if all sides are equal, then it is a square. Again, one more property is there, diagonals are equal in square. Okay, please try this problem.